Hi, I'm Kit Allowitz, and welcome back to the pcX Initiative Pitch. Thanks for clicking on this link, allowing me the chance to pitch you for 4.97 minutes on an additional round of pcX huddle lessons. After a 10-week hiatus from conducting huddles, in true Russell Crowe gladiator style, we are returning to the arena, the theater, to continue our march towards a preeminent customer experience culture. And here's the how. And it comes in the form of an invitation to you. Can you consider continuing your team's weekly 16-minute huddles with 16 new, deeper cut content lessons on what it takes to build a preeminent customer experience culture? Are you game? Well, if you're not convinced, listen a little bit longer and allow me to briefly continue. Perhaps we can all agree that achieving a preeminent customer experience culture takes time, energy, focus, commitment, practice, management, leadership, coaching, internalization, integration, grit, consistency, modeling, and again, the word practice. We began our intentional pcX initiative 26 weeks ago with 16-minute huddles. These huddles carefully unpacked our common purpose as well as our 4 carefully chosen, meticulously crafted, empirically based quality standards. Call these standards our repeatable, reliable, highly predictive behaviors that create a preeminent customer experience. Every single team and employee participated in these first 16 huddles from January 2021 to April 2021. At the conclusion of the 16-week, 16-minute huddles, we shifted gears and intentionally invited you to give away pcX buttons and pcX coaching to your people. We asked you that when you saw pcX behaviors, give away our classy, timeless, highly sought after pcX buttons. I mean, look at this button. It's attractive. Look how it shines in the dark as well as in the light, how the color choices scream excellence, and how the image chosen proudly displays our common purpose, that being create value, and boldly states our 4 quality standards, that being ownership, courtesy, accuracy, and timely. We also invited you to coach where opportunity presented itself to help employees be wiser at living our common purpose and quality standards. The pcX team collected some truly awesome stories of employees displaying incredible feats of creating value for our customers, as well as being ownership, being courteous, being accurate, and being timely. We asked managers each week to report in on those awarded pcX buttons given. This was only to get a sense of our common purpose in terms of spread factor that we were after. And what is also additionally totally cool is that you also awarded pcX buttons to non-sales center employees out there. You spreaded the wealth and helped expand our reach well beyond just the sales center. I thank you. In a most excellent way, we also have 5 representative partner companies currently conducting pcX huddles with a total of some 209 representative partner employees completing the huddles, learning the pcX way, and practicing our common purpose and quality standards. Awesome, huh? Now, second to last, may I proudly report that of the 61 managers listed on our pcX button giveawayers, 51 of you participated in our 10-week program, with some 34 of you participating almost, or even in some cases every week over the last 10 weeks to give away buttons and or provide common purpose and quality standards coaching. Over the last 10 weeks, according to our tracking, acknowledging that there's almost certainty that buttons were given away that we did not know or account for, there were, ready for this, 327 pcX buttons awarded to employees, partners, and colleagues. 327! That's incredible. That's a lot of pcX buttons. That's a lot of observed common purpose and quality standards, behaviors witnessed, recognized, and rewarded for. I acknowledge you, Mr. or Mrs. Manager, and leader for taking the time to observe and recognize those that make our pcX culture work, thrive, and live on. Next, according to our data, over the past 10 weeks, acknowledging that almost in certainty, there were pcX coaching that occurred that we did not know or account for, there were some 136 pcX coaching sessions that went on by you to employees, partners, and colleagues. That's 136 of us that got wiser, better, and more robust in our pursuit of providing the customer a repeatable, reliable, sustainable, world-class, preeminent customer experience. Boom! 136 coaching moments to help us more consistently provide a repeatable, world-class, preeminent customer experience to our customers. That's a lot of momentum in a positive direction. I again acknowledge you, Mr. and Mrs. Manager or Leader, for taking the time to observe and recognize those that make our pcX culture live and breathe and continue on. Lastly, I come back to where I started. After a 10-week hiatus from doing huddles, in true Russell Crowe gladiator style, we are returning to the arena, the theater, to continue our march towards a preeminent customer experience culture. How? With an invitation to you. Can you consider continuing your team's weekly 16-minute huddles with 16 more deeper cut content lessons on what it takes to build a preeminent customer culture? Help us as an organization continue our march towards a repeatable, reliable, predictable, world-class, preeminent customer experience culture. Do it, be it, live it, embrace it. I'm Kid Allowitz, and we'll see you next time.